In this video, we'll talk about appointment templates. Appointment templates help streamline the process of creating appointments and ensure standardized meeting fields for common types of meetings. This feature is a great way to ensure teams adhere to consistent standards when creating appointments. To configure appointment templates, click on your name in the upper right corner, select Settings, and then navigate to the Workflow and Templates tab. Next, click on Appointment Templates. This action will open the Appointment Templates page, where you can create a new template. To create a new template, click on New Template. Assign a name to the template, such as First Visit Not a Client, then choose a category for the template. This step helps organize templates effectively. Next, define the subject, such as Investment Strategy Meeting. Add a description. For instance, we'll review your investment strategy. Then, specify the location, meeting category, and any additional options. Additionally, you can choose a confirmation email template. Click the Create Appointment Template button. After the template is created, it will be available for use within LeadCenter. The newly created appointment template will now appear. When you go to your calendar and create an appointment with a contact, you can use the template you just created. This will automatically fill in the subject, description, Zoom link, category, and confirmation email fields. You only need to search for the contact and set the date and time. This approach saves time when scheduling appointments and ensures consistency in the subject and description for these meetings. Thank you for watching.